Good morning, students. Today we are going to start EVS chapter 3, Caring for Special People. You will learn about old people, differently abled people, mentally challenged persons, physically challenged person. Now let us start. Gain knowledge. We all have similar bodies and body parts. When all our body organs work properly, we are healthy. But there are some people who do not have a healthy body and mind. One or more of their body organs do not work properly. These people are called special people and need extra love, care and affection and understanding from us. Okay, so underline this also. One or more of their body organs do not work properly. These people are called special people and need extra love, care and affection and understanding from us. Okay. Old people. As people grow old, their bodies become weak and fragile. Fragile means easily broken. Old people need help and support to perform even their daily tasks. Some old people have a weak eyesight, while some have hearing problem. Some need walking stick or walker to walk, and some are not able to walk at all. Old people need care and comfort. We should love and respect them. I think students, you having also a grandmother, grandfather, so maybe having some problem, eyesight problem or hearing problem or in a walking problem, so you always respect them and love them. Okay, we can accompany old people in their morning or evening walk, visit to doctor or for any other help they need. Food and medicine should be given to them on proper time. We can also read newspapers and magazines for them. Nowadays, old age homes are set up at many places for old people who are alone. They are given proper love and care at these places. Okay. Now the next one is a differently abled people. Sometimes one or more organ of a person do not work properly. Differently abled means organ of a person do not work properly. Okay. So underline this also. These people are differently abled or special people. Okay. Like we can say blind people. Some people cannot see. And are called blind. Blind people carry a white stick with them to walk around. Now see this picture. She is a blind person and she is using a white stick. There are special schools for them where they learn to read and write using a special script called Braille script. Underline this also. There are special schools for them where they learn to read and write using a special script called the Braille script. This script has raised dots that a blind person can feel with his/her finger. Okay. Deaf and dumb people. Some people cannot hear and are called deaf. Some people cannot speak and called dumb. Now underline this also. Some people cannot hear are called deaf. Some people cannot speak are called dumb. Deaf and dumb people use a special sign language to communicate. In the sign language, different hand and finger shapes and movements are used. Okay. Now next one is a physically challenged people. physically challenged people means some people do not have a leg, foot, okay, hand, arm or finger. These people with the missing body parts are called physically challenged people. People who cannot walk use wheelchair, clippers, walking stick or walker. Sometimes the missing part of limb can be replaced with an artificial one. Okay. Now the next one is a mentally challenged people. Mentally challenged people means the brain of some people does not grow and work properly like a healthy people. These people are called mentally challenged people. They need constant care as they are not capable of doing even basic everyday activities on their own. Okay. Differently abled people have defects in their body by birth due to some accident or some illness. These people do not need our pity or sympathy. They need our support to be able to lead a normal life. We should admire and respect them and talk politely with them. We should try and spend some time with them to make them happy. We should not tease them but be friendly with them. We should be loving, caring, affectionate and understand these people. Okay. So today you have learned about friendly abled people, mentally challenged person, physically challenged person, old people. So today you will read this chapter 2 or 3 times. Okay.